Hey, Sibuyele, we back.
We're back, guys. We're
Reacting
back.
to ESTG or ESG, I don't know how to say it. It's double XL. Anyway, thank you for coming here. Let's subscribe.
Thank
like,
you, guys.
like.
Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe, please. We've got more content similar to this, very different from this, mildly related. Plethora of content. Just keep watching. Got a bunch of videos, over 100, all that stuff. Let's see.
You know, Buku said I'm the new Tupac, nigga said I'm the new Jeezy. I told him I'm not, though. It's gonna be two dead on the day I go. Crazy. Yeah. No boy, I'm telling them move and lose. Might see a snipe on the roof. It hurt me too. Seen rappers fool, live double lives in the booth. I'm glad my first son came out cool. I cooked up close by a dude. Ran with a week. I see no kids trying to put this baby on you. They are not factors, it's true. Don't rap, they actually do. I was gonna quit this shit, can't.
The beat, guys. The beat.
Because this is the thing. I'm
guys.
trying to listen to him, but the beat is too fast.
I'm glad my first son came out cool. I cooked up close by a dude.
What do you mean your first son came out cool? Is it from the womb or out of school? I need context.
And with a week, I see no kids trying to put this baby on you. They are not factors, it's true. Don't rap, they actually do. I was gonna quit this shit, came back, the streets kept asking me to. I'm checking flight status and tracking, pray my package come through. Sitting in the half a man cockle, blowing my black out the roof. It's too much blood spit on my boots, I can't even ask for a truth. I'm in town, they get spooked. Fake as I'm wrestling doozies. It's dope boy music, how the fuck you confuse it? Super hard body, total rocket when they in Houston. I do water foss $1 million worth of jewelry. Bitch, who cases, fuck a revocation, I ain't do it. I walked out by your papers, couldn't wait till 22. And as big as my influence is, think my life a movie. God to you niggas, stop.
Now I see why he was wearing the cap.
That's what I'm saying. This is Jesus Christ. I was like, Jesus Christ.
Eyes in my center, we different on my videos, shot at my cars, not in rentals. Black tie, heroin flipper.
I really need to conduct a study as to why do a lot of these rappers buy the exact same cars. Are you trying to tell me everybody likes a Lamborghini Urus and everybody likes a Rolls-Royce Wraith? I've never seen, okay, never is a big word, but like, 9 times out of 10, no one buys something
Ferrari.
different. No, they buy it, but like they buy it the same.
It's not like,
I've
but it's not like the Urus. How many?
Well, it's the cheapest Lamborghini you can get. But also at the same time, it's like I've never seen anyone go like,
Get a
different,
Gallardo.
like old school. Exactly, like
Get a Gallardo.
buy the car that you've always wanted as a child.
The streets new kingdom and they give a fuck if they play loose. Man, Vanessa double XL told me G, you cold as hell. The best fresh came this year, but they like that shit to sell. I fuck with some of them off the last you covers, but be real. I guarantee they budget in my ears, nigga, wrist on wheels. Declined her, but she like me, won't do a cover on me still. Free mommy and out the feds, I'ma scream it till I'm pale. But most y'all niggas dead, never see they face again.
Okay, he's spitting now. Once you get used to the beat, you actually
Get over it.
Yeah, you stop focusing on the beat.
I fuck with some of them off the last you covers, but be real. I guarantee they budget in my ears, nigga, wrist on wheels. Declined her, but she like me, won't do a cover on me still. Free mommy and out the feds, I'ma scream it till I'm pale. But most y'all niggas dead, never see they face again. Pineapple mixed with red, turn this fella king and kill. Clean off a dirty scale, brain is not that hard in hell. Cause if I go to heaven and don't see red, then I might bail. I make wolves till they tails, all I.
If I go to heaven and I
Don't
don't
see
see...
red, I might bail.
Okay.
It's a red, turn this fella king and kill. Clean off a dirty scale, brain is not that hard in hell. Cause if I go to heaven and don't see red, then I might bail. I make wolves till they tails, all I did a tell. Plug talk to they BMs, don't love they kids, I'm sending a Zell. Do too much show and tell, and beefing on the web. That's how you end up tail, body nailed to a chair. And bro, they hit his head bound like he sent a prayer. His shit was bitch like.
Yeah, he needs to keep his head on.
Yeah, it's just disturbing, man. It's disturbing.
It's distracting.
Craig's like it's Friday, oh yeah. God to you niggas, stars in my ceiling. We different on my videos, shot at my cars, not in rentals. Black tie, heroin flipper. First my age shouldn't send them. The streets new kingdom and they give a fuck if they play this man.
Jesus, how much much weed can one person smoke?
People are refusing to admit they're addicted. They're really addicted to the dick now.
Yeah.
I have nothing to say personally. I have nothing to say.
Yeah, shut up.
I might need to listen to something else. Then, yeah, I'll get an idea of his style or who he is. But I still need to process this.
I'm guessing the Lambo and the Rolls Royce are his, judging by this thumbnail.
Yeah. Oh, yes, he does sound like Yo Gotti. Now that I see that thing, he actually does sound like Yo Gotti. If he flows like him, even the cadence, it sounds like Yo Gotti. Maybe he's Yo Gotti's artist.
Hey, come on, don't put Yo Gotti up.
He was Glorilla. What is putting him up with him? Yo Gotti has a big artist than he.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll have to see some more stuff. Anyway, please suggest any video you'd like us to react to in the comments, and please give us a subscribe as well while you at it.
Please, guys, we're on the road to 500.
500 is the goal.
I beg
and
you,
we're gonna
sir.
do it.
I
We're gonna
beg
do
you,
it
sir.
shortly and very soon.